video, I'm going to show you two ways of performing Transcheck in the Wordfast Pro 5. As a quick reminder, Transcheck is a feature that helps you spot potential errors in terminology, spelling, punctuation, grammar, and more. So let's say you want to perform a Transcheck on the file that you are currently translating. So you can click the Review tab and then hit the Transcheck All icon. And you see it generates an HTML Transcheck report. You can scroll through, identify errors, and then come back to Wordfast and fix them. It also generates a Transcheck summary. You can scroll through, or you can also look at the tab and see the issues that it identified. You can also see that Transcheck puts warning signs in a status column next to the segment where a potential issue was detected. Finally, you can use a filter to only display segments that have Transcheck warnings. If you wish to modify Transcheck settings for the current project, then in the current project view or TXLF Editor view, you can click the drop-down list, go to Current Project, click on Preferences, and it will show you current project preferences. Here you should click on Transcheck, and here you can modify the settings of the Transcheck for your current project. Be careful though, because if you modify Transcheck settings from project list view, it looks very similar preferences. You will be modifying Transcheck preferences for new projects. These are your default Transcheck settings. So make sure they are set to your most commonly used Transcheck settings for your projects. If you would like to run Transcheck on multiple files, and or modify Transcheck preferences for that batch of files specifically, simply select the files, then click Transcheck Report, and it will take you to this view. So here we can click Run Transcheck, or you can go to this page and set Transcheck preferences specifically for these files. Click OK. Don't forget to specify your location, and then click Run Transcheck. I hope that you now understand how to run Transcheck on your translations. And for more information, please check our Wordfast Pro 5 Wiki Knowledge Base articles.